Oh my God. I gotta fucking cut the load, man. I haven't eaten in 12 hours.
A man lost in the woods for 12 hours, starving, claims he just wants to go home. But what officers find next changes everything.
I'm gonna read you something. Just stay quiet for right now, okay? And then I'm gonna ask you a question at the end, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say may be used as evidence against you. You have the right to talk to an attorney and have him or her with you now or any time during questioning. You can have a foreign attorney won't be appointed to represent you. If any time you wish to stop talking or have an attorney present, all questioning will be stopped at your request. With these rights in mind, are you willing to speak with us?
Yeah, man, what's up, man? What happened, bro? What is it? Is that...
Just keep talking until you're ready for me to talk. You're asking me 15 questions you won't let me answer on.
I almost died back there, bro. I care about what that was. It's a fucking...
Okay, I'm asking
chemical.
You want to look at it?
What is it?
See what that says?
What?
Can you read?
I can read, but I can't see it.
Okay.
Ecstasy?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
I'm asking
Dude, I
you.
swear to God it's not. I swear to God it's not, bro. I don't do ecstasy.
What do you do?
I smoke weed maybe every once in a while. But I can't do it. I can't do anything because of my HIV.
Okay. Do you have weed on you?
No. Oh, fuck.
Oh, fuck, yes, you do have
No,
weed
my
on
back
you?
hurts so much, man. I've been fucking climbing everything, trying to get out
Oh,
of
fuck,
here.
yes, do you have weed on you? Yes.
No, my back hurts.
Okay, what do you have in your bag?
What?
What do you have in your bag?
Nothing.
Nothing?
It's a first aid kit.
You want to show me then?
No.
I want to show me. Okay. Thank you.
No, I'll show you. Hey, come here. It's first aid kit, bro. And that's it.
You got lethal, I got less.
What?
Okay. Why don't you do it slowly for me, okay, man? I got gloves on and untouched all this.
See, look. The fucking first aid kit. And then, where the fucking piece? Oh, yeah. Oh, my God.
Take your time. Take your
My
time.
laser.
Okay. You want to show me what's in the first aid kit?
It's first aid kit.
Then show me.
For what? I don't know.
Because I know what's in the first aid kit.
What's in
man.
it?
It's something you ain't supposed to have, just like
What are you
this
talking
stuff.
about? Dude, I swear
That's
to God.
what I'm talking about.
Dude, I swear to God it's an ecstasy.
Okay.
I swear to God.
So you don't want to show me what's in there?
For what? Dude, I almost died. Are you kidding me?
It has nothing to do with it. I'm glad you're alive. Do you want to show me in there or not?
No.
No? Okay.
For what? There's nothing for it.
I got you.
Oh my God. You gonna arrest me for this? Are you kidding me? Please don't. I think I still want it. You're gonna arrest me. Oh my God. Please don't. I just want to go home. Oh, please. Please, God. Oh my God. I can show you my fucking, I have a tablet in my house because I don't have any service on my phone, and I can show you what these people sent me.
We're not worried about that right
I'm
now.
saying that's why I went over there.
We're not worried about that right now.
All those pink ribbons,
We're not worried about that right now.
that's how they alerted me in there. Please. I just wanted to go home. Oh, I can't believe it came out as ecstasy. There's no way. I haven't done it in fucking like over 20 years. I swear to God, man, he's like me dead now. And it's not even liquid, it's in a pill form. How you...
Sure, 32, please.
You heard me? Ecstasy is in a pill form. Oh my God. Yeah, you have got to do. Oh my God. I gotta fucking cut the load, man. I haven't eaten in 12 hours. Oh my God. Oh, please. Please. I just want to go. What was even trespassing? It was on my property. I didn't even trespassing. I wasn't there. Huh?
Alright, Mr. Franz. I'm gonna ask you one more time.
I'm not gonna let you.
What are those little white pill thingies?
Dude, it's not
inside?
pills. I swear to God. I'll open them. You crush it. It's plastic. I swear to God. It's called the atomizer. Is to make the chemical work.
Yeah?
Yes, I swear to God.
So aggressive.
I'm not drowsy, but I haven't slept in 12 hours, and I've been in this fucking thing. And the guy stole my fucking water. That's what it is. Legally, you can legally buy it in e-stick stores.
Okay. Okay. Why? Any reason why it tests for?
What? I don't know. I never heard about it in my life. I've been had them for years.
Really?
Yeah. I swear to God.
What do you use it for? I thought you said you used it
I told
for
you.
games.
Well, I used it for the games. I'm talking about what gay people use it for.
So you use it for both those reasons, or just one?
I'm bisexual, but I haven't been having any sex in
Okay. Stand up.
like 8-9 months.
Stand up. Leave that there. Stand up.
Are you really gonna arrest me, man? Please.
I mean,
Please don't
I just want honesty.
I do it. That's why.
Step over here for me, please. Keep going. Keep going. All right. I'm gonna ask you one last time. What is inside the first aid kit? If I find out it's something I don't like, I'm gonna be pretty ticked off.
Dude, I don't know what's in it.
You don't know what's in there?
No.
Isn't it yours?
No. I don't know.
So it's not yours.
No.
So why are you carrying it around?
Because it was in there. I thought it was all be useful.
So is it yours or not?
No, it's not mine. I found it in there, in the woods. And I thought it would be useful. And there's some white powder in there with needles. I don't know.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh my God, and my fucking phone is fucked. Oh my God. I swear, man, I have so many problems with iPhones. It's crazy. Oh my God. I was trying almost all night. I can't believe these people would do this shit to me. I don't even know who these people are. Oh my God. Oh, this really hurts so much. How? Fuck. And there's people out there. I guess they're the workers at night. You know, I was begging them to can I have some water or something. That's how it was a joke.
Workers on the property?
Yeah, there was 2 guys.
Okay. The what? Oh, is it?
What is it?
All right.
Please don't arrest me.
Get on arrest.
Please don't arrest me. I don't want to. I'm tired back there. I'm the 2 people I try to make it open up to work.
Right now, you're just detained in
What do you
handcuffs.
mean arrested?
On January 28th, 2024, Wayne Bruce Franz was arrested by the Bunnell Police Department and charged with possession of methamphetamine and possession of drug paraphernalia. What started as a trespassing call ended in handcuffs. If you want to see more Bodycam footage like this, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Watch the video playing right here in the center right now, and find out what happens when you think you're smarter than law enforcement. Subscribe to Police Axie and Cam and hit the notification bell.